If you don't look at the options of this question very well, you are going to think that we have two answers there. But we have just only one answer. Though Bola was very well paid. Whenever you see this subordinating conjunction, though, anytime you say it, it is used to, of course, subordinating conjunctions, they are used to introduce a subordinate clause. Subordinate clauses, subordinating conjunctions, they are used to introduce them. You've got that. Now, this one, what is a subordinate clause? A subordinate clause, it is a clause that cannot stand on its own and make a complete sense. A clause that cannot stand on its own and make a complete sense. That is subordinating, that is subordinate clause. Now, when you look at though Bola was very well paid, it doesn't make a complete sense. It cannot stand on its own and make a complete sense. It needs another clause to make it complete. You've got that right. So in that case, this is a subordinate clause. Anything we must have here must be a main clause. Understood, right? Now, what is a main clause? A main clause is a clause that can stand on its own and make a complete sense. You've got that. Now, having got this one, that anything that will be here must be a main clause. Let us now check the options. Let's see the one that is a main clause. Don't forget the meaning of a main clause. A main clause is a type of clause that can stand on its own and make a complete sense. Are we going to say, since she was always short of money, this one, subordinate clause? Subordinate clause, subordinate clause. No, it cannot go. Understood, right? We need something that will contrast though Bola was very well paid. Although Bola was very well paid, you understand, we need something that will contrast this, that will show contrast, that will show negation. Understood, right? So though Bola was very well paid, anytime you see this though, it's a contrast. You cannot still use it with but. So this one too is wrong. You know why this one is wrong? This one is a subordinate clause on its own. This one, a pointer, subordinating conjunction. You've got that. So this one, subordinating conjunction, subordinate clause. This one too, wrong. Now, though Bola was very well paid, and when she always short of money, no. Does that even make any sense? It doesn't make any sense. So this one too, wrong. Now we have this one left. Of course, that would be our answer, right? Of course, this is our answer. Now, let's look at it again. Though Bola was very well paid, she was always short of money. This negates the fact that Bola was very well paid. He was very well paid, yet she was always short of money. So Bola was always short of money, even though she was very well paid. So this is the answer. And not this. Anytime you see this though, don't use it with but. Don't use though. Don't use it with what? Don't use it with but. Though, but, this is wrong. Understood, right? So we have the subordinate clause, though Bola was very well paid. We have the main clause, she was always short of money. Why is it a main clause? This one can stand on its own and make a complete sense. But this one, it can stand on its own and make a complete sense. You can say though Bola was very well paid. Just only that. It still needs information to make it complete. You've got that. And don't forget, this is a contrast. You cannot still use but with a contrast again. Contrast, contrast. No. You got that. You can only say If we eliminate this one, Bola was very well paid. Bola was very well paid, but she was always short of money. That can go. But in this case, though, but, wrong. Lovely one. I believe anytime you come across a question like this, you'll be able to answer it correctly. Am I right? Okay. Now, have this exercise and drop your answer in the comment section. All right. Thank you.